An attempt by auto manufacturers to simplify and standardize car seat installation resulted in the Latch system. It was standardized in most vehicles after 2002. Latch stands for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children. It works by using connectors on the car seat with anchors factory mounted in the car. Latch is used for rear and forward-facing seats. Forward-facing seats will also have a tether strap that connects to the vehicle. When installing a child safety seat, it is important to use the method that works best for the seat. The intention was never to use both. Each Latch set is designed for a single car seat. Never attach two seats to the same latch bar. Many Latch setups have a weight limit of 48 pounds. If your child is beyond that, it's best to use the seat belt. Drive safely, there's a baby on board. For Auto Matters, I'm Penny Cobb Burkhalter.